Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Just got this Kershaw, and just thought I'd do an unboxing. It's the I've been waiting on this knife actually. When it first came out, I saw pictures of it and really liked it. It's the Kershaw Injection 3.5 folder. It's Todd Rexford design. It's pretty nice. It's I don't know what the weight is, but it's got some good weight to it. It's the close length is 4.5 inches. G10 scales. They're machined, and it has it has the machined grooves on the sides. It's got a really nice looking pivot. Come on, let's focus. Yeah. It's a liner lock. It's 8CR13 MOV stainless steel. Looks like it's bead blasted. I mean, bead blasted isn't one of my favorite finishes, but hey, you know, that's the way it comes. The lockup is pretty solid. It's in the middle. It's not early. It's not late. It's in the middle. It's not going to go anywhere. It's got the dual thumb studs. And the thumb studs are really nice. For a sub $40 knife. And this is it's got the designs of a custom knife, but without that price tag. I mean, the knife feels really solid in hand. It's got a nice detent. Very smooth. It has the little lanyard attachment in the back between the back spacer. It's just a little standard pocket clip, nothing fancy. Yeah, I really like this knife. It's for the price, I really like this design. I mean, just to kind of give you some size comparisons. Here's a there's a few knives just for size comparison. Paramilitary 2. And I've also got the Griptilian. So, as reference for size, let's see what this thing weighs. I'll grab my scale. .3 ounces. Alright, I want this thing focus here. Yeah, it's 4.3 ounces. As compared to a Paramilitary 2, 3.8, Griptilian, 4 ounces. So it's right in there. It's a little heavier than those, but it's a sub 5 ounce knife. I was very curious when it first came out. Didn't really have any solid pictures of it, just more computer generated pictures, and I was really looking forward to this knife coming out. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Very happy with it. I really like the design and the machining of this G10. G10 is it's not smooth. It has texture. It feels real good in the hand. There's no jimping. I mean, which is, it's not a deal killer for me. It's not absolutely necessary to have jimping for me. Yeah, I mean, the pivot is really nice. It looks like a custom knife. Yeah. Kershaw injection 3.5. They also have the 3.0 model, which is, I guess, the 3-inch blade. This is the larger. It has the reversible pocket clip, right or left carry. Just tip up only, though. So, I mean, if you're left-handed, right-handed, this knife is definitely for you. Flips out no problem. Very solid. No blade movement. The liners are, of course, steel liners for that price point. But yeah, this knife is, I think it's definitely going to be a winner. I see a lot of people that will order this knife. It's definitely going to be something that people are going to want. Yeah, Kershaw injection 3.5, Todd Rexford design. I highly recommend this knife. If you have any questions, feel free to comment.